Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to start with the source list. So source list comes under the master data, and here also we store the list of allowed sources of supply. Sources of supply are nothing but vendors for a material for the specific plant for a certain duration, or you can say period of time. So how do we maintain this and how to create the source list? We will see now practically. So for the source list, the T code or the transaction code is ME01, and you can see material and plant. So material is already which we recently created. This is a raw material, and for the plant is ABC1. Just hit enter. Now, as per the definition, we actually maintain the records for the vendor validity for the material and plant for a certain duration of time. So valid from, so let us take the today's date, and it is valid till uh, 24th April, right? Vendor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this ABCS, and this duration is valid for this vendor. Okay, so select this. Purchase organization is nothing but ABPO. Hit enter, and if you want to fill this other information, you can fill. So this is not required. Suppose if you want to fix this vendor, you can click here. So whenever you are creating PO, this vendor will be picked, and if you want to block the vendor, you can just block this vendor for this particular duration. So if you click on this, if you select like this, and if you go to simulation, extras, under extra simulation, and if you click the source of supply and the simulation date, suppose the date is 25th, and just press OK, it will show you that this vendor is going to be the source of supply. So now if you want to check the extras and go to simulation, the source list, if you click on this, and if you see the simulation date, let me check for the 24th, just press OK. You'll see the first vendor will be selected because the date falls within this validity. Suppose if I make changes to the dates, for example extra simulation source list, then I'll make the 2nd 5th. Now you can see the source list is this vendor. Okay, and if you want to go for the simulation and source of supply, so the source of supply I'm going to get is the effective source of supply is vendor 101, and it will also show you from where purchase info record, etc, etc. So like this you can maintain the vendors for the plant and material combination for the specific duration. And suppose if you want to actually delete anything, you can just click delete. You can also sort, check, and you can also create new records, generate records, copy reference, etc. And if you want to check the changes, you can just click on the changes, say some dates. You can see it will show you what are the changes done to the source list. Okay, so like this you can actually maintain. Just save this. So this is it in this video. This was all about the source list. So I just want you to just play with this source list transaction code and create the source list for the material plant combinations, whatever you have created for the different vendors. So keep liking, sharing, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.